Good morning बच्चों. This is my third video on Python with CSV, in which I am going to perform a write operation in CSV file using writer object. Okay, writer object can be created by writer function. Okay, you may have seen my previous video, uh, reader object. Okay, reader object can be created by reader function. Same, writer object can be created by writer function. And with write row method for writer object takes a list argument. Is it? That means first of all you have to create a writer object with the help of a writer function. Then use write row method with writer object to write data in a CSV file, but the format of data should be a list. Okay, very easy to write data in a CSV file. Now move to Python. Ideally, okay, file new. In this, I am going to add data in my CSV file. Okay, so first of all, let me show you the content of my CSV file. Okay, you can see there are 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, that means 6 records. Okay, I am going to add roll number 7. Okay, roll number 7, name, okay, suppose H, and address double H, but through Python. Is it? But through Python. Now, so first of all, import CSV. Is it? Import CSV f equal open my dot CSV. Now mode, write or append? Append. Yes, because I want to add record. Now create writer object wo equal CSV dot writer f. Now writer object ready. So writer object dot write row. Okay, data should be a list. So roll number, suppose 7, H, okay, and address. So f dot close. Now execute F5. So it is asking for save. So now in same location, suppose okay, now no output. See your result in my dot CSV file. Now you can see roll number 7, name H, and double H added in this CSV file. Okay, now see the code. Very easy. First of all, we have to create writer object with the help of writer function. Then use write row method with writer object to write data in CSV file. I think easy. Try, and if any doubt, ask me. Thank you.